Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's try on haul, I'm sharing summer outfits from J. Crew Factory. This is one of my favorite places to shop, especially in the spring and summertime. I just love their classic style. Their color palette is always right up my alley, so I'm excited to see how these outfits turn out. As always, let me know your favorite look or favorite item or something that you purchased down in the comments below, and everything that I style will be linked in the description box so you can easily shop it. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to continue seeing try on hauls here on my channel, and let's jump into today's outfits. So here is the first dress that caught my eye online. I love when I can find a buffalo check or a gingham in the spring and summer, and I especially love when I can find it in a light blue color like this. This is probably one of my favorite colors to wear. This purse is from Soul Society. I think it comes in 4 colors. And then these shoes are from Walmart. I ended up swapping them out. If you saw my Walmart summer haul recently, I got them in silver on accident and I switched them out for the white. And I love how bright and vibrant they are. So to get this on, I did have to unbutton it all the way to probably here just to step into it. It was just a lot easier than trying to squeeze into it over top. So that's what I would recommend. The straps are, like, if they're any longer, they'd be too long, but they do fit. Like, they're not gapping or anything like that. And then the cut, I've been seeing a lot of straight across tops lately, which is normally not my favorite, but this one dips down. So it's really flattering. It's not gonna bunch at your armpit area. It is gapping a little bit through here, just a teeny bit. I would put a little bit of fashion tape through there if it was really gonna bother me, and that would just keep it down. So the material is a little bit stiffer. It will definitely wrinkle on you, but that's kind of what you get when it comes to summer fabrics like this. So just a very simple, easy dress to throw on for summer. I love the blue gingham, and I especially love these little white sandals. I'm definitely glad that I swapped them out for the white. All right, so this outfit is just giving me all the feels because I actually wore something almost identical when I got engaged. I will link that post down below if you want to randomly see that, or you can search proposal on my blog to read up on that and see the photos. But basically this is what I wore. I think I actually wore this identical cami. So I've had this one forever. It obviously holds up really well. So this one is from Express. The skirt, I forgot to steam it, so excuse the wrinkles. It will wrinkle really easily when you go to sit, but I think the scallop detail is so cute. This is a size 4. I typically get a 2 in these skirts, but I just wanted it to have a little extra length, so I actually I think the size 4 a little bit better. It's just a little longer and more comfortable. These shoes, I wouldn't wear them honestly with this outfit. I put them on and then I'm like, nah, I think it needs something a little more simple, just like a cute little simple color. But I saw these originally on the J. Crew site and I thought they were so cute. I'll show you guys a close-up of them, but I love gingham and I love bows, so I was like, have to try these. I forgot that J. Crew definitely runs small in shoes, so I would size up in them. This is my normal size and I would rather have a half size up. So they feel a little snug across my toe. So they do feel a little snug through here. I'm not sure if sizing up will help that. They do seem to run a little bit narrow, but I think they are so precious. So if you have just a very simple white dress or just kind of a very simple boring outfit, this would be something that would dress them up and make them look a lot more put together. So this skirt you can definitely dress up or down, like say you have a little summer barbecue, or if you wanted to wear it to church, you definitely could. And then you can also make it really casual with some sandals and a denim jacket for nighttime as well. These shorts are so comfortable. Like, I feel like pajamas, barely feel them on type comfortable. They're just really flowy and baggy, but they're still flattering. This is a size small. I would say they run a little big, but I think that's how they're kind of supposed to be. And I really like the length of them. I do wish they had pockets. Like, I kept kind of reaching for them. Like, I felt like they should have them, but they don't, which is okay, but I would prefer if they had pockets. They come in a couple different prints. I went for this print because it's not really a gingham, but it gives you that look, the drawstring. So they're just really flowy, easy. Would be really great to travel in because they're so comfortable. And then I kept on the same cami because I honestly didn't buy as many tops as I did bottoms this round. that's just what I ended up being drawn to when browsing. So the same little basic cami. They do have a really cute scallop cami that I'll show you guys in a little bit. And then I have on those white sandals again, just to keep it really casual. But you could dress these up if you really wanted to with wedges, and a cute little denim jacket would be cute with this as well. Cute, cute. So this is what I live in on the weekends when I just want to be cute, comfortable, run errands in. These white shorts, unfortunately, are too see-through for my liking, so I would probably recommend to get a different color. I just don't love when you can see the pockets. Like, just, there's better white shorts out there. But these would be cute in like a coral or navy, because I really like the scallop detail. But yeah, I just don't love how see-through they are, especially with the pockets. But they're like a linen blend, which is really cute for summer. This is a size 4 and they fit perfectly. I feel like they might stretch out a little bit in the booty area. The strawberry tee, I'm all about it. I've had this tee for a couple months, so highly recommend it. I know a lot of you guys picked it up. This is a size small. And then I have on a Victoria Emerson wrap bracelet. It just is casual, ties in the whole look really well. And then I have on my little Miller sandals, which I've been finding some of these on sale. Not this color, but there's been a lot of really good sales lately. So I will link a bunch of different options and a dupe if these are out of your budget down below. So the Scallop Tank is what I was most excited about for this try-on haul. I love finding good basic camis like this. And of course, I love that scallop detail. So I am so excited about this. I also, of course, love the pale pink color as well. This is a size 4. It fits perfectly. The straps are adjustable. Definitely a must-have for me. I actually bought 2 colors. Of course, I love the pale pink a little bit more. And here's another option for white shorts. These are definitely much less see-through. I could definitely get away with these, even though the pockets show very lightly. They're just not as bad as the last pair. So this little clutch is not the most practical because it's going to be something that you have to carry around with you. But I just think it's so adorable. I wanted to get it and I love it. It's not going to fit a ton either. I'll show you guys. I'll try my phone to make sure that fits, because if it doesn't, then obviously I can't keep this. But I just love this whole vibe. I'm all about it. So probably one of my favorite things that I found so far. And then these sandals I think are very flattering. I love the crisscross detail. I just think that's like the most flattering type of cut for sandals. Something about it just makes your toes look cuter. So these sandals do actually fit more true to size than most J. Crew shoes that I've tried. This is a size 8 and that is what I would keep. So I guess I take that back, because in all other shoes that I've tried from J. Crew I've had to size up, but these actually work true to size. So I do actually like these pants a lot more than I was originally expecting to when I ordered them. I think they fit really well, especially for a pant like this. It's supposed to be baggy and kind of loose and casual. They just fit a lot better through the leg than I was expecting. So I did actually get these in blue and white. So I'll also see how the white looks. I have a feeling they're going to be too see-through. I have on that same cami. So I loosely tucked this in just to give my hips some shape. Gosh, I'm obsessed with this cami. I love it. Okay. But this is a size small, and these pants, they do fit and feel very comfortable, very casual. And I kept on those same gold sandals. So if you're wanting to wear pants in the summer, this would be a good option, because it is a linen blend, and if you're just so anti-shorts and like covering your legs, I feel like this is a good option. Alright, so kept on the same cami, threw on the white version of the pants, and I love how light and airy they are. Aren't as see-through as I was expecting. Again, keep it neutral, and my shirt kind of covers if there is any question there. And the pockets aren't getting on my nerves like I was expecting them to. Like, you can definitely see them, but I just like how much more light and airy the white is. So I would probably keep the white over the chambray. But these do feel slightly different. Around my knee, they almost feel, I wouldn't say they're itchy, but I'm more aware of them. So I don't know if there's a different blend to the white than the other pair, but just something I wanted to let you guys know. So you may be like, it's summer, why do you have a scarf on? And I do actually wear lightweight scarves in the summer, not out and about, but when I'm traveling, I always get cold. So I like to travel with a scarf just so I can use it as a blanket, whether I'm on an airplane or in the car or out to dinner. So that's how I kind of cover my shoulders when I really need it. And I absolutely love this scarf. Like, it is adorable. What sold me are the tassels. I love both of the colors of the tassels. It's like a little cute citrusy print. I love the colors. I'm absolutely obsessed with this. And then I really like how the light pink looks, just so it's not all white with this color, and it pulls in with the tassel perfectly. So cute. I absolutely love it. This would also be a really cute pull cover up if you wanted to just drape something over your hips to go to lunch. Love this little thing. I don't know how much it was, but I'm definitely keeping it. So it doesn't matter. And then I kept on the same gold sandals. So I really rarely wear jeans in the summertime, especially like denim jeans. If I do, I always reach for my white jeans, but these were in their bestsellers and I just wanted to give them a try. They had a lot of really good reviews. I think they're very stretchy and comfortable, but I just don't love the wash of them for whatever reason. Or I just know I'm not gonna honestly get a lot of use out of them. But if you are looking for a summer jean, I do think this is cute with the little cutout ankle detail. This has been really popular. I think it just makes them look more casual and a little more summer appropriate. And then I have on these little bow sandals. One thing about the bow sandals, I just want to give you guys a heads up. For the return policy, you definitely have to stay on top of it. So if you're shopping at Shopbop, you have to return within 14 days, I think, of the order date. So make quick decisions. Like, I just assumed it was 30 days and then it was too late to return these without a stocking fee, which was 10 bucks. And I was like, I'm just going to keep them. But I honestly need to size up in them. So if you're good at these, size up, but just a heads up with their return policy. But you can log in and get free Amazon Prime shipping, which is really nice. This little bag is actually from Walmart. I think it's so cute. I love the colors and the little palm detail. Really good little summer bag, plus it's like 35 bucks. So this top I honestly do like a little more than I was expecting. On the hanger, it just looked really squared and I didn't think it would look flattering with this type of neckline and then just the material. And I was expecting it to be a lot more see-through, but the reason I think it's really good is because it's so lightweight and comfortable. So it's really good for summertime. It's just kind of flowy. It doesn't feel sticky on you. There's good air control underneath it. And I just really love the cute palm detail. And I also didn't think I would like it because of that shoulder, but I think it's actually really cute and flattering. So this one was a little bit of a surprise. This would be cute if you wear your hair in a ponytail with like some turquoise earrings or something like that for summer. This is a size small. Oh, I forgot to mention, kind of important, I also wanted to try them because they really reminded me a lot of Madewell. Okay, now I like them a lot more, actually. So I think showing the button is actually a lot cuter. That makes it, I mean, not necessarily with this shirt because it's more flowy, but the buttons make me like it a little more. So now I like them. Sorry, I'm all over the place. This is a size 27 and they fit really good. Okay, actually I'm a fan of these now. Funny how that happens. So I think it'd be cute to wear a tank or something doing the front tuck, which I am going to edit that fashion hacks video this weekend. I'm so sorry it's taken me this long. So stay tuned for that on the front tuck and all that. But now I'm officially a fan. You just have to get the shirt off of the hips. That's, I guess, what was throwing me off that I didn't love. So I almost forgot to show you the other color and the cami because I was just so obsessed with the pink one. But I do also really like this color. It helps warm up my skin tone a little bit. I actually featured this in my shop at the outlet mall with me and my mom. So I'll link that if you want to see when I tried it on. But I just love these little scallop camis. So kept on the same jeans now that I'm a fan of them, and they are very comfortable. And then these sandals are another Walmart sandal, so affordable and comfortable. I love the two-tone because I'm always torn on getting gold or tan, so I didn't even have to make that decision with these. I think both sandals do run a little small. These are size 8s and I have no extra room at the heel, so if they do have the half size up, I would recommend for you guys to do that. But I already wore these because I had to wear them for a shoot, so I'm just going to keep the wrong size, basically. This Soul Society bag I feel like is going to go with everything this summer. It just makes everything feel a lot more summery, And it does come with long straps if you don't want to carry it. And then here is that cami. So I will be getting so much use out of these camis. I'm keeping both colors for sure. All right, so I'm a little torn on these pants, whether or not I want to keep them, because they do feel a little short. I wish they were a little longer. Like, did I get petite? I don't think I got petite, but if I did, I would swap them out for regular. But I feel like they didn't come in petite. I don't know. I just feel like they're a little awkwardly short. They are good for summer, but I feel like they look too short on me. But I think the scallop detail is very cute, and as far as the material, I feel like they're stretchy, which is really nice, but there's something about them that makes them slightly itchy. So I feel like I wouldn't end up reaching for them as much as like my comfortable go-to loft pants, you know, that I've shared in multiple work outfit videos. So I'm a little torn on these. I'm probably not going to keep them, but I'm going to check the sizes, see if I need a longer length, because I think that would make me like them enough to keep them. They just zip on the side, which I do really like that because it's just a really clean look and you don't have to worry about the buckle here. It won't make you pooch out, you know what I'm saying? And then this tee I wanted to try for work. It's so comfortable and very lightweight. So don't be scared to try cutoff shirts for work, just because you can throw over a cardigan, and that way you don't have, like, you don't get too warm because your arms aren't covered in 2 layers. So I do really like going for these types of shirts in the summertime. I didn't tie a bow here just to see another way to tie it, but you could do a cute little bow as well. But I kind of think I like it draped like this a little better. Just makes it look really clean, a little more expensive because it's covering the buttons there. This is a small. It is a teeny bit big in the underarms, but I wouldn't really want it to be any tighter for work. So undecided on these, but I'll keep you updated. They'll show up in my workwear outfit of the week video if I end up keeping them. And then I just have on my favorite little flats for work. These are so good. So those are all the outfits that I have to share with you guys from today's try on haul from J. Crew Factory. I hope you enjoyed the outfits that I had to share with you guys. You can shop everything down in the description box below, and don't forget to leave me a comment letting me know your favorite look from the haul, or if you purchased anything. I definitely love your feedback on my try on hauls because it helps me plan future content and all that good stuff. And if you love try on hauls, give this video a thumbs up. That definitely helps out my channel and helps me plan future content as well. And you definitely don't want to miss my next try on haul. It is going to be so good and affordable, so definitely hit that notification bell if you haven't already. That way you don't miss my next try on haul, because you are definitely going to want to stick around for it. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise.